Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Lately, I have just really been having the urge to cut my hair, and I mean like legit cut it, like afro cut it. I'm trying not to do that until my hair gets long enough to where I can donate it. But every single time I'm ready to like wash my hair, I always just want to go grab the scissors and cut it right then and there. So I told myself I needed to do some sort of style to where I won't have to mess with my hair every other day. I decided to do some knotless braids, and I've done them before but I didn't film it, so I figured I'd go ahead and film it this time, show you guys what I did, and yeah, so that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. Not really an in-depth tutorial, just because I feel like my explaining skills are sometimes not where they should be. But you guys will be able to watch me do it. I didn't film me parting my hair just because that process is always so complicated. But if you guys want a video that is like more in-depth with how I part my hair, because obviously I don't have eyes in the back of my head, then just let me know in the comments and I'll definitely pull that together for you guys. But yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, so as you can see, I have my hair laid out over here. I have 17 different sets right now. Hopefully I don't have more braids than that, because I really don't want more braids than that. And I think I talked about this in my feed-in braids video that I did with my little sister. I just think it's easier if I go ahead and like pre-separate the hair. That way I don't have to stop in between each braid and try to pre-separate the hair. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. And since you're here, you might as well check out another video.